Keep your pool clean and hassle-free with the perfect cover pump. In this video, we'll help you find the best swimming pool cover pump to quickly remove excess water and protect your pool cover from damage. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Acopair Pool Cover Pump. The Acopair Pool Cover Pump stands out as an efficient, high-performance solution for keeping your pool cover free of standing water. One of its strongest features is the automatic on-off switch, which activates the pump when water reaches 2.17 inches and turns it off once levels drop below 3/4 inch after a 30-second delay. This convenient automation saves you from the hassle of constant monitoring, especially during heavy rainfall or snow melt. Powered by a robust 1 HP motor, this pump delivers a remarkable capacity of up to 5,000 gallons per hour, making it twice as fast as many standard models in the market. It's capable of handling heavy-duty water removal tasks beyond pool covers, including garden ponds, hot tubs, and even flooded basements. The Acopair pump's bottom suction design effectively removes water down to 3/4 inch, ensuring no significant water is left behind to damage your cover or pool equipment. It comes equipped with a range of adapters: 1 inch NPT, 1.5 inch NPT, 3/4 inch NPT, and 1/4 inch GHT, plus a check valve to prevent backflow, enhancing the product's versatility and extending its lifespan. Users can also select from 2 angle interfaces, allowing for a customized and secure hose connection. An outstanding safety feature is its built-in smart temperature control, which automatically halts operation if the motor temperature reaches 105 Celsius or 221 Fahrenheit, preventing overheating and potential damage. This combination of power, versatility, and safety makes the Acopair Pool Cover Pump an ideal choice for homeowners seeking a reliable, heavy-duty pump with intelligent automation and robust build quality. Whether you're managing water accumulation on a pool cover or draining a flooded basement, the Acopair ensures rapid, worry-free water removal. Number 2. Little Giant Pool Cover Pump. The Little Giant Pool Cover Pump is a compact yet capable option designed specifically for removing standing water from pool covers, boat covers, and rooftops. It features a built-in automatic float switch that activates when water reaches 2 inches and shuts off once it drops to 1 inch, offering hands-free operation and peace of mind. The Little Giant pump moves up to 1,700 gallons per hour at a 1-foot lift, making it a suitable choice for light to medium-duty applications. Its compact, weighted design ensures it remains stable in place during operation, preventing tipping over. Maintenance is remarkably straightforward, with easy access to the pump float and airlock for cleaning. No tools or screws are required. This is particularly convenient for regular upkeep, ensuring the pump remains in good working condition season after season. The ergonomically designed built-in handle makes the pump portable and easy to place or remove from different locations, while its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. The pump includes a 1 inch FNPT discharge port and a 3/4 inch garden hose adapter, providing flexibility and compatibility with standard hoses. Equipped with a 25-foot power cord, this unit can easily reach distant outlets, a useful feature for larger pool setups or rooftop applications. It's powered by a 1/3 HP motor operating at 115 volts and 270 watts, delivering reliable, energy-efficient performance. With the 21.5-foot shutoff height, it ensures efficient water removal, even in areas with deeper accumulations. Overall, the Little Giant Pool Cover Pump is a dependable, user-friendly choice, ideal for homeowners seeking a simple, effective solution for keeping pool covers and other surfaces clear of unwanted water. Its combination of automatic operation, easy maintenance, and reliable power makes it a worthy addition to any pool care toolkit. Number 3. Acquaer Pool Cover Pump. The Acquaer Pool Cover Pump offers a reliable and efficient way to manage excess water on pool covers and other surfaces. It features an automatic on-off switch that activates when water reaches 2 inches and continues to pump until the water drops to approximately 2/5 inch. For added reliability, the pump runs for an additional 60 seconds after reaching this low water level, ensuring thorough removal. Powered by a 1.5 HP motor, it can move up to 2,250 gallons per hour, making it a versatile choice for various residential water removal tasks. This pump's bottom section design enables it to remove water down to 3/4 inch, minimizing standing water effectively. It's well suited for applications beyond pool covers, including tarps, hot tubs, window wells, and boat covers. The submersible sump pump design incorporates a strainer base that filters out debris, protecting both the pool cover and the pump itself while providing stability during operation. The strainer base is easy to clean and requires no tools, simplifying maintenance. Built-in temperature control safeguards the motor from damage due to dry burning when water levels drop too low, extending the pump's service life. The Acquaer pool cover pump comes with a 25-foot 3-pronged power cord, offering flexibility in placement and easy connection to standard 115-volt outlets. It also includes a 1 1/4-inch NPT discharge and a 3/4 inch garden hose adapter with a check valve.
Number 4. Wayne 57729 Pool Cover Pump. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient solution to keep your pool cover free of standing water, the Wayne 57729 Pool Cover Pump is a solid choice. Designed with durability and ease of use in mind, this 1/4 HP reinforced thermoplastic pump is built to handle the elements while delivering dependable performance. One of its standout features is the integrated iSwitch technology, which activates the pump automatically when the water level reaches 2 1/8 inches and turns it off once the level falls below 3/4 of an inch. The pump's energy-efficient, oil-free motor provides high flow rates without excessive power consumption, contributing to both operational efficiency and cost savings. Additionally, the automatic freeze protection integrated into the iSwitch system safeguards the pump from cold weather damage, adding a layer of reliability during unpredictable winter conditions. The Wayne 57729 also features a thoughtful design with a strainer base that filters out debris, minimizing clogging issues and helping the pump maintain stability during use. Number 5. Cofiyard Store Pool Cover Pump. For those who need serious pumping power combined with intelligent automation, the Cofiyard Store Pool Cover Pump is a versatile, high-performance option well suited for various water removal tasks. Driven by an upgraded high-torque 1/2 HP motor, this submersible water pump is capable of moving an impressive 3,200 gallons per hour, making it one of the more powerful options in its category. Its bottom suction design is particularly noteworthy, enabling the pump to drain water down to just 1/5 of an inch, which makes it ideal not only for pool covers, but also for boat covers, basements, rooftops, and other flat surfaces where water pooling is a problem. In terms of compatibility, it offers excellent versatility with a 1 1/4 inch NPT vent, an elbow adapter, and a 3/4 inch garden hose adapter, making it easy to integrate into existing setups. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.